All right, Sarah, what's happening?
Going skydiving.
All right, this your idea?
No,
Yes.
it's Jack's.
All right, this Jack guy. All right, cool. So, how are you feeling? Nervous?
Yep.
Excited?
Nope, nervous.
No, I'm just nervous. All right, not excited a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, if you're not gonna make it today, what do you have to say to your friends and family?
I love you.
All right, let's see the sky. Woo!
Yeah, Jack!
There we go.
High five here, brother.
Good job, man.
Woo.
High five, bro. How you feeling?
Great, man.
Feeling good?
That's definitely an experience. Come over here.
All right, Sarah, what did you think?
That was awesome.
It was better than you thought, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Now you're not nervous if you had to go again?
No,
No?
not at all.
All right, we're going again today?
Probably not.
All right, but you're going again.
Probably.
All right, Chicago Line Skydiving Center. Thanks, guys.
Woo, get it together, guys. Big smile here. All right.